The dawn of a new year is always magical, isn't it? Imagine stepping into 2025 with a sense of purpose and clarity, guided by numbers that could change your life. Numbers are more than digits, they hold vibrations, energies, and the power to align us with success. This video is about 7 numbers that could bring you extraordinary luck on January 1st, 2025. Stay with us, and you'll discover how to unlock their magic. Could a simple number lead to wealth, love, or unexpected opportunities? You're about to find out. These numbers aren't random, they're deeply rooted in numerology and ancient beliefs. By the end of this video, you'll see numbers in a whole new light. What if today is the day everything changes for you? Ready to dive in and unveil the secrets of 2025's luckiest numbers? Let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Numbers have always fascinated humanity, from ancient civilizations to modern-day lottery winners. The first number we'll explore is 1, symbolizing new beginnings and fresh starts. January 1st is the perfect day to embrace this energy, a blank canvas for your dreams and aspirations. Carry this number with you by setting one powerful goal for 2025. Imagine starting a new project or rekindling an old passion. Picture writing down one thing you're grateful for every morning. Watch how it transforms your mindset. The power of one lies in focus and determination, reminding us that we're the authors of our stories. Keep this number close, and let it inspire bold steps and fresh opportunities. Are you ready to make 2025 the year of action and achievement? The second number on our list is 5, a number associated with change, freedom, and adventure. As we step into 2025, think about the changes you want to embrace. What if this year brought you the courage to explore uncharted territories? Visualize taking 5 small risks, whether in your career, relationships, or personal growth. Think of 5 as an invitation to break free from routine and embrace the unexpected. It's the number that whispers, "Don't be afraid to live boldly." Imagine planning a trip, learning a new skill, or saying yes to something that scares you. The energy of 5 encourages spontaneity and reminds us that life is an adventure. So, how will you make the most of this vibrant energy in 2025? Now, let's talk about 7, often called the number of spiritual awakening and inner wisdom. January 1st is the ideal time to tune into your intuition and reflect on your true desires. Have you ever noticed how things align when you trust your inner voice? Start 2025 by dedicating 7 minutes each day to meditation or journaling. Imagine uncovering insights that guide you toward your highest potential. The number 7 also represents learning and growth. Perhaps it's time to pick up that book or enroll in that course you've been eyeing. Let this number remind you that the answers you seek often lie within. Are you ready to awaken your inner wisdom and embrace 2025 with clarity and purpose? Our fourth lucky number is 11, a master number symbolizing intuition, inspiration, and higher consciousness. January 1st is a day filled with possibilities, and 11 amplifies this energy. Imagine making a wish at 11:11 and feeling the universe align with your intentions. Think about 2 goals or dreams you want to manifest this year. 11 encourages you to balance vision with action. Picture yourself taking that first step, no matter how small, and trusting that the rest will unfold perfectly. The power of 11 lies in its ability to connect us to something greater than ourselves. It's a number that whispers, your dreams are valid, and they're closer than you think. How will you harness this energy to make 2025 extraordinary? The fifth number we'll explore is 22, another master number representing building and manifestation. As we step into 2025, think about the foundations you want to lay for your future. Imagine creating something meaningful, whether it's a business, a relationship, or a personal goal. Picture writing down 22 affirmations that inspire and empower you. The energy of 22 is all about turning dreams into reality through focused effort. Think about the big picture and the small steps that will get you there. What if this number became your reminder to stay grounded while reaching for the stars? Let 22 guide you in creating a life that reflects your deepest aspirations. Number 3 is next, radiating joy, creativity, and self-expression. January 1st is a day to celebrate new beginnings, and 3 invites us to do so with enthusiasm. Think about 3 things that make you happy and find ways to incorporate them into your daily life. Picture yourself embracing your creative side, whether it's painting, writing, or dancing like nobody's watching. The energy of 3 encourages us to live with a sense of wonder and playfulness. Imagine sharing your joy with others and watching how it creates ripple effects. How will you let the vibrant energy of 3 inspire your journey through 2025? Our final lucky number is 9, a number of completion, compassion, and letting go. As we step into 2025, think about what you're ready to release to make space for new blessings. Picture saying goodbye to old habits, grudges, or fears that no longer serve you. The energy of 9 encourages us to look at the bigger picture and act with kindness and empathy. Imagine donating to a cause, helping a friend in need, or simply practicing self-love. Let this number remind you that endings are often the beginning of something beautiful. Are you ready to embrace the transformative energy of 9 and welcome 2025 with an open heart? Numbers like 1, 5, 7, 11, 22, 3, and 9 are not just digits, they're tools to guide us toward a brighter future. Think about how these energies can align with your goals and dreams. What if each number became a daily reminder to stay focused, courageous, and optimistic? As we step into 2025, let's embrace these numbers as symbols of hope and possibility. Imagine starting your year with a clear vision and unwavering determination. What changes could unfold if you truly believed in your ability to create the life you desire? The power of numbers lies in the stories we attach to them. What story will you create in 2025? Imagine waking up on January 1st, 2025, feeling a sense of excitement and possibility. Picture writing down these 7 numbers and placing them somewhere you'll see them every day. What if these numbers became a source of inspiration and motivation throughout the year? Imagine reflecting on their meanings and how they relate to your journey. Think about the small actions you can take to align with their energies. Numbers have the power to remind us of our potential and keep us grounded in our intentions. How will you use these 7 numbers to make 2025 your most extraordinary year yet? As we conclude our exploration of 2025's luckiest numbers, let's reflect on the possibilities they hold. Picture yourself living a life filled with joy, growth, and meaningful achievements. What if these numbers became your compass, guiding you toward your dreams? Think about the moments of clarity and inspiration they could bring. Imagine sharing this knowledge with others and watching how it inspires them too. Numbers have a way of connecting us to something greater than ourselves. Are you ready to embrace their magic and step into 2025 with confidence and purpose? Let's make this year unforgettable together. Before you go, take a moment to think about how these numbers resonate with you. Which one feels the most significant for your journey? Picture writing it down and carrying it with you as a symbol of your intentions. Imagine how it might influence your decisions, actions, and mindset. Think about the stories you'll create and the opportunities you'll embrace. Numbers are a language of the universe, speaking to us in ways we often don't fully understand. How will you let them guide you in 2025? Let's step into the new year with open hearts and minds, ready to embrace the magic of these lucky numbers. Thank you for joining us on this journey through 2025's luckiest numbers. Your time and attention mean the world to us, and we hope this video inspires you to see numbers in a new light. Imagine the possibilities that await when you align with their energies. Think about the moments of synchronicity and serendipity they could bring. Let's make 2025 a year of growth, discovery, and success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Imagine sharing this video with someone who needs a little extra luck and motivation. Let's spread the energy of these magical numbers far and wide. Here's to an amazing 2025 for all of us. As you step into 2025, remember that numbers are more than symbols, they're keys to understanding ourselves and the universe. Imagine reflecting on these 7 numbers throughout the year and watching how their meanings unfold in your life. What if they became your guiding stars, helping you navigate challenges and celebrate triumphs? Numbers remind us of the cycles and patterns that shape our journeys. Think about the ways they've already influenced your life without you even realizing it. Let's approach 2025 with a sense of curiosity and wonder, ready to uncover the mysteries they hold. How will you let these lucky numbers inspire your path this year? Picture starting each day with a reminder of these 7 numbers and their meanings. Imagine how they could influence your mindset, actions, and decisions. What if they became a source of strength and inspiration in moments of doubt? Numbers have a way of grounding us in our intentions and reminding us of what truly matters. Think about the ways they can help you stay focused, optimistic, and determined. Let's use these lucky numbers as tools to create a year filled with purpose and passion. How will you make 2025 a year to remember? Let's embrace the magic of numbers and see where they lead us. As we look ahead to 2025, let's carry these 7 lucky numbers with us as symbols of hope and possibility. Imagine the stories you'll create and the moments of joy and discovery you'll experience. What if these numbers became a reminder to stay true to your dreams and aspirations? Think about the people you'll inspire and the connections you'll make along the way. Numbers have a way of bringing us together and reminding us of our shared humanity. Let's step into the new year with a sense of optimism and excitement. How will you let these lucky numbers shape your journey in 2025? Let's make it a year to celebrate. Thank you for being part of this exploration into the power of numbers. Your support means everything to us, and we can't wait to share more inspiring content with you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Imagine the possibilities that await when we embrace the magic of numbers together. Think about the ways they can inspire us to grow, connect, and thrive. Let's make 2025 a year filled with intention, action, and incredible achievements. How will you use these 7 lucky numbers to create the life you desire? Let's step into the new year with courage and determination, ready to make our dreams a reality.